Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 50 plus words with silent H in them. Are you excited? I am excited, so let's begin. Here are some words with silent H at the beginning of a word. I repeat, at the beginning of a word. Honor. Honor. First syllable is a and the second syllable is ner. Honor. Honor. Karangalan in Filipino. It's an honor to meet you. Honor. Honor. Our second word is honest. Honest. Matapat. Matapat ka ba sa jowa mo? Robert is an honest man. Honest. Third word is honorable. Honorable. Now the word stress here is on the first syllable. Honorable, not honorable. These businessmen are both competitive and honorable. Honorable. Our fourth word is heir. Heir, tagapagmana. Heir, katunog ng air na hangin. No air, no air. Oh my. He recognized Howard as his lawful heir. The word is heir. Heir. Ang babaeng tagapagmana is called an heiress. Heiress, babaeng tagapagmana. That's our fifth word, heiress. Now we are down to our sixth word, hour. Hour, oras. If you'd like to know the detailed tutorial for the words are, hour, or are, and hour, please click the link on the description box. So hour, oras, she was an hour late. Hour with 2 syllables. Hour. Here's our seventh word, herb. Herb or herb. Herb. Both ways are correct. Herb with silent H or herb with clear H sound. Halamang gamot. Katulad ng tanglad, ganon, malunggay, kasama yun. There's something really intriguing about the herbs or herbs. Clear? Also with the word herbal. Herbal or herbal. Herbal. Herbal or herbal medicines. Halamang gamot. Marami nito sa probinsya. And we have herbivores. Herbivores. H is silent. Herbivores. Herbivores, ladies and gentlemen, are animals that only eat plants like rabbit, elephants, and deer. Herbivores. So those are the words that have silent H at the beginning of a word. Just a reminder, not all words that start with the letter H have silent H, okay? For the next words, ito naman yung ilang mga words na may silent H after the letter C. One would be charisma. Charisma. Ang lakas ng charisma mo, my friend. The politician earned a lot of female votes because of his winning smile and charisma. So, minsan ay maraming nadadali dyan no? Binabase ang pagboto sa itsura ng binoboto, pero kapag nakaupo na, walay na. Wag ganun. Next word is chorus. Chorus, sabay-sabay. Do not answer in chorus. Isa-isa lang, mahina ang kalaban. Chorus. Next is choir. Choir. Choir sa simbahan. Then chemistry. Chemistry. Chemistry is the scientific discipline involved with elements and compounds composed of atoms, molecules, and ions. Tanungin nyo na lamang po yung mga teachers nyo tungkol dito, utang na loob. Then we have, ano kaya yan? It has something to do with what? Right? Technology. Technology. Ang stress po ay nasa second syllable. Technology. And our 14th word is echo. Echo. Sige nga, anong Tagalog ng echo? Alam niyo po ba? Di ko rin alam eh. Stomach. Stomach. Puro siya schwa sound. Yung first at second syllable, stomach. O yan, o chan. He punched me in the stomach. School. School. Nakakamiss ang face-to-face, no? Tipong may nagsusuntukan pagtanghali. Chord. Chord. When you play an instrument, laging present ang chord. Guitar, piano, yon. Chord or chords. Then scheme. Scheme. And schema. Schema. Ang stress po ay nasa first syllable. Schema. Schema. Yon. Psychic. Psychic. A psychic is a person who has a special mental ability. For example, she has the ability to know what will happen in the future. Yon, psychic. Mga chismosa ba psychic? Chaos. Chaos. Ang second syllable po, according to the dictionary, is more on the A sound. Chaos. Chaos. Kaguluhan sa Tagalog. O, iiwasan natin yan ha. Nobody wants a chaotic life. Gusto natin laging maayos. Architect. Architect. Anchor. Anchor. Ang AN po rito ay eng. Eng. Anchor. News anchor. Anchor. Then, our 23rd word is character. Character. Now, here are some words with silent H after the letter G or the letter R or the X. Ay, X. Ghost. Biktima ka ba ng ghosting? Ah! So, ang pattern ay GH, ghost. Multo. Multo ng nakaraan. Next is ghee. Ghee. Ang ghee ay isang uri ng butter na gawa sa gatas ng buffalo or baka na ginagamit sa panluto not only in the South Asian countries, pero marami pa rin daw po ang gumagamit nito sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Basta po ito ay butter. So yan po ang itsura ng ghee. Alright? Next word is rhyme. Rhyme. What's your favorite nursery rhyme? Sige nga po, comment nyo nga po kung ano yung favorite nursery rhyme nyo. Ano nga bang favorite ko? Next is rhythm. Rhythm. Ang TH po rito ay ginagamitan ng hard TH sound katulad ng TH na maririnig ninyo sa brother, further, brother, gather, or gather. Ayan, so rhythm. Our next word is actually a name of an animal. Most of the times people abbreviate this to rhino, rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. The stress is on the second syllable. And for another strange reason, na here becomes na. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Ano ba ang itsura ng rhinoceros? Ayan. So may horn siya sa gitna ng mukha niya. Horny siya. Horny! Oh my horny. Next word is exhibit. Exhibit. Mapapansin po ninyo, may X po dyan pero wala siyang saysay. Walang saysay yung X. Bakit ganon? Nawawala po kapag binikas natin ito. Ganon talaga. May mga bagay na naandyan lang pero hindi pinapahalagahan. Exhibit. Now, paano kaya natin ito babasahin? Exhibition pa rin kaya. Ayon sa dictionary, ang basa na rito kung may dinagdag na ION ay exhibition. Exhibition. Wala pa rin yung X sound at wala pa rin yung H. Nag-i-exist sila pero hindi natin pinaparamdam na nag-i-exist sila. So we say exhibition. Exhibition. Ang stress po ay nasa third syllable. Exhibition. Same is true with this word exhaust. Exhaust. Wala ring saysay yung X nito. Pinalitan siya ng G sound. Exhaust. And the past tense is exhausted. Exhausted, meaning pagod na pagod. O ganyan kayo, di ba? Pag pagod, nabebed on the spot kayo. Exhausted. Root word is exhaust. Exhaust. Kung may word na pagod, ito naman po ay making one feeling very happy, animated, or elated. Sobrang saya niya or thrilling. We say exhilarating. Exhilarating. Ang stress po ay nasa second syllable. Exhilarating. Okay? Exhilarating. Yon. We totally enjoyed our exhilarating trek to the summit. The word is exhilarating. Exhilarating. Alright. Next word is ghastly. Ghastly meaning horrible or dreadful. Nakakatakot. Nakakakilabot. Example. He committed a ghastly crime. Nakakatakot na krimen o horrible crime. Okay? Next word is ghetto. Ghetto. Gumamit na naman po tayo rito ng soft D, kaya ang bigas natin ay ghetto, parang ghetto, pero lambutan natin konti yung D, so we say ghetto, ghetto. Pero wag po natin kalilimutan ha, kung hindi po kayo comfortable sa paggamit ng soft D, ay gamitin po natin ang Filipino T natin in saying ghetto, ghetto. So, a ghetto or a ghetto is a part of a city, especially a slum area, occupied by a minority group or groups, ghetto. Parang sa nabasa ko, dito sa ghetto, dinadala yung mga taong naaapektuhan ng social pressures or economic hardships. Ghetto. Next is gherkin. Gherkin. Kadalasan ko nakikita sa movie, parang sarap na sarap silang kainin ito. Ngayon ko lang dinalaman na ang tawag pala dun sa kinakain nila ay gherkin. Ang gherkin po raw ay parang kamag-anak ng pipino intended for pickling. Pangarap kong matikman to. So ito yon. Para kasi siyang masarap. Saan po ba nakakabili ng ganyan? Gherkin! Ito sunod sa 12. 12 gherkin. Char! Ito naman po ay ghoul. Ghoul. Marami sa mga nanonood ng anime ang alam ito. A ghoul is an evil spirit that feeds on dead bodies. So everyone, let's welcome these ghouls on our screen. Oh, di ba? Kamukha ng mga chismosa sa tabi-tabi. Next word is aghast. Aghast, not aghast. Aghast. If you are aghast, nagulat ka, nasyak ka, kinilabutan ka for some reasons. Siguro, aghast. Ang sumunod po naman nating words ay mga words na maaaring may silent H o wala, depende sa accent na ginagamit ng speaker. Ano-ano ang mga words na ito? Una, why. Why. You could say why with silent H or why na dinig yung H. Again, both ways are correct. Depende raw po sa accent na nagamit. Why or why. Bakit? Bakit mo ako ipinagpalit? Char! Ang drama ni Mistra. What or what? What or what? Ano? Ipinagpalit mo ako sa best friend ko? Panis. Pinaktis ko yan. When or when? When or when? Kailan? Kailan pa yan? Kailan nyo pa ako niloloko? Which or which? Alin? Which or which? Alin? Which of the following statement is true? He loves me or he loves me not? Where or where? Saan? Where were you when I needed someone like you? Kalande. The next word is whisper. Whisper. Some say whisper, but the most commonly used pronunciation is whisper with silent H. Whisper, bulong. The children were laughing and whispering secrets in the classroom. The word is whisper. Whisper. White or white. Puti. White or white is associated with light, goodness, innocence, purity, and virginity. Wheel or wheel. Ayan. May mga cases na kung sino pa yung nagte-third wheel, sila pa yung nagkakatuluyan. Ow! Wheel or wheel literally means gulong. Wheels. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Hello mga titas dyan. While or while, habang or samantala. I don't want you to drive while you're tired. Yeah! So ito naman pong mga next words ay ang iba pang mga words na may silent H daw po. I don't know, pero nasa listahan po ito ng mga words na may silent H. First, this is, ayan, first, nabubulol na ako. Ayan, so ito raw po ay Thailand. Thailand. Ang TH raw po rito ay T. Basically, silent ang H. Please, kung may nanonood po from Thailand, paki-confirm naman po ito. But according to the dictionaries and audio pronunciation guides na ginamit ko, ang binibigay po nilang guide ay with silent H po ang Thailand. Thailand. Thailand is known as the land of smiles. Naalala ko rito yung movie na Anna and the King. O, di ba? And a person residing in Thailand is called... Ano kaya? A Thai. Yan. Thai. Ang TH pa rin po riyan ay T, so Thai. Please, if somebody's watching from Thailand, comment lang po kayo. Thank you so much in advance. Ito rin po naman daw ay pronounced vehicle. Vehicle. Drinap yung H sound. Now, if you would like to know why, then please visit Mr. Google. People would benefit greatly from a pollution-free vehicle. The word is vehicle. And our last word for tonight is KHAKI. KHAKI. Tong kaking to, char. Yan, KHAKI. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating lesson for silent H. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga susunod pang mga lessons. So, kita-kits po tayo sa aking next video. And thank you so much for watching. Ito po si Teacher Maureen. Bye!